is Michaela, and I'm 50. I have CMT, and we came here because we were having some more I was having joint issues. Had a lot of hip pain and some knee issues, so we're looking for something that would actually allow me to align my walk and get in a place where I could function daily with the braces. I had some braces on and off, and then decided that it's time to do it full time, mainly due to the degradation of my joints and things that came up. So we were excited to have the opportunity to get something to allow me to be more stable, and I feel like it's doing it. It's awesome. I've got the braces that are the top end, and I feel comfortable with them. I feel stable in them. I feel like my walk is normalized to where I'm not hiking my one side and compensating with my body, which obviously has an effect overall. So I'm thrilled, I'm excited, I'm ready to go.
And could you tell us about the condition of your knees, the hyperextension that you had beforehand?
Yeah, but I felt it, but I didn't think it was a huge problem. But as I would flick that foot to get it propelled forward, that hyperextension was causing issues, and I don't feel like it's an issue at all now with them.
All the videos we watched of him, people doing this, it's you now.
It's me.
It's so exciting. It's amazing. That's gotta be so much better for your hip too.
Yes.
It's gotta be.
Yes. I think so. The key is to kind of get your toe off. My toe doesn't do that. So I'm really excited to try these, and it feels like it's eliminated, so I'm thrilled.